Okay, so we're going to start this slideshow. The origin of where things get weird. Mass of the photon is due to noncommutative, nonlocal protoconsciousness. Spinors are not vectors, tensors, nor scalars. This is all based on physicist B.G. Sidharth, who predicted the dark energy acceleration of the universe before it was discovered, so he should have got the Nobel Prize. We will now highlight the intimate connection between spin, noncommutativity, and extension. We would like to stress that it has been overlooked that the origin of this noncommutativity lies in the original Dirac coordinates. Spin implies noncommutative spacetime. Spin implies noncommutativity. In fact, this leads to a model of the electron as a black hole with the fuzziness induced by the noncommutativity. Returning to the mass of the photon, it can be argued that this is a result of the noncommutativity of spacetime. We argue this gives a method to extract dark energy, aka antigravity. From this, we should be able to extract energy. It's a question of technology, insinuating forward and backward time flow. In general, it is not possible to have both of these domains coexisting. So a non-zero photon mass is based on dark energy. Space-time geometry becomes non-commutative, unifying both approaches of relativity and quantum physics. Hitherto irreconcilable pillars of the 20th century, general relativity and quantum theory, the same non-commutativity. Not only does the universe mimic a black hole, but the black hole is a two-dimensional object. The interior of a black hole is inaccessible, and the two-dimensionality plays a central role in the black hole thermodynamics. This is an extra magnetic effect of non-commutative spacetime. In any case, there is an anomalous behavior of the fermions, which is 1/2 spin, accompanied by a fusion type effect for protons. Once we deal with the two-dimensional case, this disappears and we can have transmutation of fermions, 1/2 spin electrons, protons, to bosons and vice versa, so the photons. This is the origin of where things get weird. The product of conjugate variables must have no associated units as they appear in the exponent of the exponential function. Now this last quote is from Mark John Fermi, and he goes on to just explain, it's a Quora post on what is counterintuitive about a photon, and he gets into the Dirac, the function of Dirac, but he makes absolutely no mention of non-commutativity when it is precisely the exponent of the exponential function that is non-commutative. And this is what Alain Kahn explains using music theory. So as I've explained before, the exponent is non-commutative, so you have the time and frequency as 2 to the 19th and 3 to the 12th, or else it is 3 to the 1/12th, or 2 to the 1/12th and 3 to the 1/19th. And that's what makes it non-commutative and therefore more dense than the real space-time continuum for relativity. So this just proves that B.G. Sidharth has discovered and analyzed the same exact secret of anti-gravity dark energy due to non-commutativity and as the mass of the photon, just as Basil J. Hiley has also discovered in physics. So it's just ignored by normal physics because they ignore the non-commutativity of the exponent in the exponential function. So that will end the slideshow. Thank you very much.